Hi! In front of me is CUBOT X20 and today I would like to show you how you can customize the theme of your keyboard on this CUBOT. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Now click on System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Keyboard. Over here, go into Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Now you can select the photo that you want to apply as your keyboard's background by clicking on it, pinching it to scale and dragging it to move. When you're done, tap on Next. Now you can adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap on Done and click on the switcher next to key borders to turn them off or on. When you're done, click Apply. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!